Hello YouTubes, Pat the Sound Guy back again with a quick one. This was a freebie tractor given to me by someone up the street. They said, oh, there's this bad spring in the linkage, bad spring in the linkage, bad spring linkage, that's why it won't run right, that's why it won't run right. Well, spring is fine, as you can see that's the main spring he was referring to. This is on the governor here, the governor arm, and this whole assembly was binding up because this arm here is the governor arm. That linkage goes to this plastic piece here, and then this plastic piece goes to the carburetor. Now, the whole reason why this wouldn't rev up, and this was binding, is here you see this plastic piece here, there's the pin that goes inside. That is rusty, and rust and plastic never mix. You can see how that is all rusted. That acts like a knurled edge, and that's gripping the inside of that plastic bore, and that is why this wouldn't rev up. So we're going to take that in the drill, a little bit of Scotch-Brite and a file, not at the exact same time by the way. We'll spin it up in the drill, chuck the drill, we'll put the file on that, file that clearance down, file this down, coat that with a bunch of grease, clean that up inside there, put it back together, and this is going to rev up like $1,000,000. So here's the fix. Already done it. You spin this up in the drill, take a little file, fine file, and you spin this, and you go zing, 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 rub that while it's spinning, rub up against that flange there, bam, all fixed. There you go. This governor arm, before, wouldn't even move. It was jamming, jamming. It's the slightest movement moves it now. Doesn't take any torque to do it. There you go. A little bit of lube, a file, a minute or two to get that pin out of there with the 5/16 wrench, and put this back together. I'll put this assembly back together. We'll take another video when we get it back together. See how well it works, but that's how to fix it.